Flexim Roof Mortar. Looking for a quick and effective solution to fix roof leaks? Consider Flexim Roof Mortar. This versatile paste has been a trusted choice since 1985. It comes in easy-to-apply strips, ideal for sealing the ridge and other roof areas. Not just for leaks, Flexim is perfect for sealing gaps between corrugated sheets or improving connections around chimneys. Ready to use straight from the package, it speeds up repairs, working about 5 times faster than traditional methods. Flexim performs well in a broad range of temperatures, from 60 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliability in all seasons. Plus, it's available in several color options to match your roofing materials, ensuring your repairs blend seamlessly with your existing roof. For quick, effective, and durable roof repairs, Flexim Roof Mortar is the ideal choice. PERI VARIOKIT. PERI, a global leader in formwork solutions, presents VARIOKIT, an innovative balanced concreting system for bridge construction. This system supports creating sections up to 5.75 meters long and weighing up to 300 tons, accommodating various designs, including curved and spiral structures. Built-in automation enhances precision by controlling these parameters seamlessly. Moreover, VARIOKIT integrates with other PERI solutions, such as hoists and work platforms, offering a versatile and efficient approach to complex bridge projects. With VARIOKIT, PERI continues to revolutionize construction with cutting-edge technology and engineering. UPB. UPB is a leading industrial company in the Baltic states, providing end-to-end construction solutions, from initial consultations to the completion of complex projects. In Sweden, UPB contributed to Grid 17, a 5,900 square meter building featuring rooftop terraces. They supplied precast concrete sandwich panel facades that blend aesthetics with functionality. In Denmark, UPB is a key partner in the Mary Elizabeth Hospital project, an 8-story structure slated for completion in 2027. Their role includes delivering facade blocks pre-fitted with glazing, wiring, ventilation, and fire safety components, significantly simplifying on-site construction processes. With cutting-edge engineering and a commitment to precision, UPB continues to set new standards in the construction industry, driving innovation and delivering high-quality results. Temporary Wall Systems. Temporary Wall Systems offers innovative fencing solutions suitable for various environments beyond traditional construction sites. Their barriers are highly effective in settings like hospitals, where they separate construction zones from medical areas, allowing work to proceed without disrupting patient care. The company's versatility shines in unique projects, such as at a stadium, where their fences created secure corridors for soccer players. These pathways enabled athletes to move freely without distractions, maintaining focus during events. What sets Temporary Wall Systems apart is their customization options. Clients can add features like doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems to meet specific needs. Built with a robust 3-layer construction, aluminum front, galvanized steel back, and a 38mm polyurethane core, these walls are durable, reliable, and suited for demanding conditions. Temporary Wall Systems delivers adaptable, high-quality solutions, combining innovation with practicality to meet the unique requirements of diverse industries. ViaCon UltraCor. UltraCor holds the record as the largest and strongest corrugated steel system, with remarkable achievements like Poland's WD-10 overpass. Spanning 92 meters in length and 26 meters in width, it is Europe's largest corrugated steel structure. However, the Shamal Bridge in the United Arab Emirates surpasses it, holding the world record among UltraCor projects. These structures showcase exceptional strength, capable of withstanding heavy loads, including railroad construction. UltraCor is also highly adaptable, performing efficiently in extreme temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Celsius to -50 degrees Celsius. One of its standout features is the speed of construction. A bridge measuring 100 meters by 20 meters can be assembled in just 3 weeks, making it an ideal choice for time-sensitive infrastructure projects. With its durability, versatility, and efficiency, UltraCor continues to redefine possibilities in large-scale construction. ClipStone ProPanel. ClipStone ProPanel offers an innovative approach to stone veneer panels, making them easier to install and more affordable. Unlike traditional mortar methods, ProPanel uses fasteners and special clips to secure the panels in place, ensuring strong durability against both weather and fire. These panels provide the look of natural stone without breaking the budget, making them a perfect choice for both interior and exterior spaces. Designed to be breathable, they won't interfere with your wall's ventilation. The panels come in 2 sizes, 8 by 184 centimeters and 305 by 184 centimeters, helping reduce the visibility of seams and offering more flexibility during installation. Plus, ClipStone ProPanel can be installed in any weather, and you don't need to be a masonry expert to get the job done. For a hassle-free, cost-effective stone veneer solution, ClipStone ProPanel is the way to go. Geveko BandFill. The United States has enough roads to wrap around the Earth 176 times, and since flying cars aren't coming anytime soon, road maintenance crews will continue to have plenty of work. Fortunately, the chemical industry is constantly developing new solutions for road repairs. One such solution is BandFill, a sealant available in strips or rolls that is simple and effective to use. To apply BandFill, you simply roll it out where needed and heat it with a torch. It fills cracks and joints, making it ideal not just for general road repairs, but also for sealing after the installation of sewer manholes and storm drain gates. BandFill typically comes in sizes of 5 meters by 35 millimeters, and it doesn't require much to work with. Just a torch, gloves, and a broom to sweep away dust and debris. This makes it an efficient and convenient solution for road repair tasks. Forta PRO. Forta PRO has become highly efficient in modular construction, specializing in the quick assembly of modern buildings. They can build, outfit, and install modular structures in just 1 to 2 weeks. These modular buildings offer cost-effective solutions while maintaining a modern aesthetic. To illustrate the efficiency, constructing 4 regular reinforced concrete buildings with 56 apartments would require 12 to 15 times more concrete just for the foundation. Building with Forta PRO's modules is also less noisy, and the company uses plenty of recyclable materials, making it a more environmentally friendly choice. In a similar modular approach, Interpod has applied this innovation to bathroom units. With over 28,000 units sold, these modular bathrooms are impressive. A crane can lift one into place in just 5 minutes, and after approximately 2 hours of setup, the bathroom is ready for use. Everything is already built in, from plumbing to toilets, and workers only need to hook up water, electricity, and ventilation to make it operational.